Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is actually my first ever planning video wherein I sat down and planned with stickers. Before this, I had never used stickers for my planning, and this is actually a video that I filmed and edited it in January 2020. So I thought it would be interesting for you guys to see how I planned with stickers for the first time ever. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be planning for the month of January. This is my first plan with me and I do not have any experience in planning my month in a planner. I have used planners before, but I usually just go ahead and write straight on it. But this is my first time using stickers, decorating and stuff, and filming a video as well. So I've done some prep and I've just added the days that I want to mark, and I've made a sheet of stickers that I want to use. I didn't make these stickers, but I've pulled it from a bunch of sticker books and other Etsy sticker sheets, and I've just made a kit here to use it, and let's see how it goes. So the first thing I want to mark is the New Year's. If you're watching this real time, happy 2020. I hope you all have a successful one and achieve all your goals. The pen that I'm using is Muji 0.38. Here, I think it's straight. And then I wanted to layer it down here. So it says New Year. Okay, this is done. So far so good. Second thing that I want to mark is the keto day. I actually do not follow a keto diet, but I know someone who does, and I wanted to buy a gift for her from many days, and I think this will be a perfect day to gift. So I just want to mark that down so that I don't forget it. And I have this cute avocado sticker to just decorate it a little. I'm currently doing my post-graduation in Canada, so my second semester is going to start on the 6th. I had about 3 weeks of holidays and it was really nice, relaxing. And I feel kind of ready to start my semester. I feel fresh. I do need to do a little bit of organizing and just looking at my schedule and planning out my days. I'm kind of excited to start a new semester. So this is like a decor. Just adding college starts. Good. If you're watching all the planner videos, I'm sure you're going to like these next two things that I'm going to mark, and it's my favorite as well. I think I want to write on here first and then I'll add the sticker. So on the 11th, it is the vision board day. I have been doing vision board since 2016, and I think it plays a very important role in achieving your goals, acting as a reminder for the intentions that you have set. And I just want to mark this day too. I haven't done my vision board yet, so if I'm not able to do it in this week, I want to do it on this weekend or something, just to add a reminder. Where do I put it? Here. But I do want to add this sticker as well, so I think I'll put it in the side. Is it straight? Yeah. I will just add this. Does this look good? I think it's fine. By the way, this particular sticker is from the Happy Planner budget sticker pack, and this one is from the homebody. I really love the homebody colors and the designs on that. It looks really nice, and I think it kind of goes well with this planner style as well. This is from the homebody as well. And then on the 13th, it is the National Sticker Day. And as you can see, I'm a big fan of stickers. And this is my first time planning with all these stickers. And I'm kind of very happy with it. So National Stickers Day is done. Now on the 16th, it's my niece's birthday. She will be turning 3 this year. So I just want to mark that down. And I think I'll just write her name. I don't want to write birthday because I'll be adding this cute cupcake sticker and this balloon sticker as well. So I'll just write. Yeah, this is good. I'm pretty happy with it. So I want to put that down. It's on the 16th. I'm going to add this balloon as well. And then I wanted to add this as well, just to tie in all like the floral theme going on. How do I put it? No. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm happy with it. It looks really nice. That's good. And then the next thing is on the 22nd. It's the Library Shelfy Day. So I think I'm not really sure about what it stands for. Actually, let me just look it up for you guys. Okay guys, so what I was thinking is correct. So on the Library Shelfy Day, you kind of take a selfie with your own mini library that you've created with the collection of your books, and you upload it on social media using the hashtag National Library Shelfy Day. So I was into reading. I really love reading books, and I was reading a lot in 2017 and 2018. 2019 I did not read that much, so I kind of started reading in December a lot. I want to continue doing this. Library Shelfy. This is like a nice reminder. It's on the 22nd. I have this cute book sticker. This is from the teacher planner sticker book. I'm gonna add it here. And then on the 26th, I want to mark 2 things. So it's one of my friend's birthday. I think I'll add it here. So I have this cupcake sticker as well, and I'm not gonna write birthday. It here. Yeah, I'm okay with that. And then it's also the Indian Republic Day. I don't know if I can fit into it. I'm gonna add that here. Okay, so that's good. And why did I pick this sticker? Oh yeah, it's for the sidebar. Okay, so on the 31st, it is the National Hot Chocolate Day. This is my first time doing it, like marking all of these days, like Stickers Day, Vision Board Day, and this Hot Chocolate Day. I feel like it acts as a great kind of like a break from all the major tasks that goes on in your life. So we just get merged into those tasks that needs to get done, and we are always like doing, and these kind of days will like it's like a reminder to slow down, enjoy all the tiny things in your life. And it's okay, like, anyways, you will end up doing all those tasks, so why not just do it with a little bit of peace of mind and heart. So I finished marking all of the days that I want to mark, and I'm planning to do the Yoga with Adrian challenge. Every year in the January, she has a 30-day yoga challenge. So I'm planning to do that. And this year, the theme of the yoga challenge is home. I'm really excited to see what she means by this. And I found this sticker in the homebody sticker book, and I just chopped off, I think it says home is where the heart is or something, so I just chopped off the bottom part and I added it here, and it acts like a perfect one. So I want to write yoga with Adrian. Okay, it's kind of good. Do I want to do this? I think I'll do it actually, just to make it stand out. And this is looking good. So I do want to layer it with this particular sticker, but I don't know how I want to do it. Hope this is straight. Yeah, I'm actually really liking to talk and plan. It's like talking with a friend while planning. It's really nice. Kind of like ties in the black from the thing that's going on behind. I want to add like a tracker here to just mark off each day that I do it straight. Oh yeah, it looks nice. So I can just mark off whenever I do it. I don't want to pressurize myself to do it all like on the, just one day after the other. And that kind of brings me on to the theme of this year. I usually like choose a word for every year, and last year my word was consistency, and this year I kind of went with a phrase. It's one day at a time. So this quote is like perfect for that. It says, get a little better every day. So I kind of want to use this phrase like every time I feel anxious. Usually what happens is I look at all the things that I need to do and I kind of get really overwhelmed. So I kind of want to take things like one thing at a time, one day at a time. So even with this challenge, I'm not looking at all the 30 days. On day one, I'm just going to look at day one and nothing else. I'll not worry about if I can keep up with it or not. And I think this might help the mindset that most of us have. It is like waiting for a Monday to start something, or like for a new month or for a new year. There's nothing bad with it, but putting off things till the new year is bad, or till the Monday is bad. If you want to start on a Monday, it's good, but if it's Wednesday, then I think it's better we start on Wednesday and not wait for Monday. So this quote acts like a reminder. So I'm done doing all the functional part of it, and I have some of these decor stickers. So I thought these stickers match really well with the leaves here, and these snowflakes I thought I'll add it to break down from the floral theme that's going on and just remind myself of reality. Everyone is warning me of January and the cold weather here. I am currently living in Canada, so everyone are saying that it's gonna get really, really cold, and it's already cold. And thought I would add these, like spread it out here and there when I don't have too many things going on. I am so sorry guys, my camera just cut off and I didn't realize it, and I ended up adding all these leaves and stuff. So this was the last thing that I was going to add. This space is looking a little bit left out, so I want to add like more stuff here, tie a little bit of that green that's going on. I'm really happy with the way the spread turned out, and it's my first ever decorative spread, and I'm actually really happy with it. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Let me know which planner you are using for 2020 in the comments below, and if you want to watch more such videos, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.